6 out of a possible 6 points in Week 2 for the Crunch. Hi, everyone. I'm Dan Duva, and the Crunch with a 3-3, all on the road. Victories over the Devils, the Senators, and the Penguins. But the story that really stole the show was Saturday in Binghamton. 150 combined penalty minutes, but the Crunch down 5-0, come back to win 6-5 in overtime. The tide turned when goaltenders Robin Lehner for Binghamton and Riku Helenius for Syracuse dropped the gloves at center ice. It was all Crunch from that point on. Richard Panik, a second-year pro, was the hero, 2 assists, and then the game winner in overtime. And the question to Panik and others, have you ever been in a game like that before?
No, I haven't seen a game like that. It was my first game like this. It was crazy game, we were down 5-0 and then we came back and we won the game, so it was really impressive and I'm glad we won.
To be honest, we were talking after the game. I don't know if anybody's been a part of something like that. It's 5-0 in the game of hockey, that should be game over.
5-0, it was I think after first period it was 3-0. So we still believe we can battle back, I think our best period is third period.
I mean, we went down 5-0 there and Coop kind of came in and just said, you know what, we got to stand up for each other, we got to fight for each other, and obviously he didn't, not meaning fighting with your fist, but we got to fight with everything we have on the ice, and
And then we scored 2 goals. There was 5-2, so then we started believing more and more. And then we tied the game, and it was amazing. That
type of thing brings you together as a team, and gives you confidence in each other, and really shows that you can do stuff like that. And like we said, we focused on our start a little bit and went into Sunday and played a great game Sunday.
No, we wanted to get the 2 points. Basically when you get down 5-2 and then you come back, you don't want to you're not satisfied with the 1 point. You want 2 points. So we wanted to win the game, and I'm glad we won.
It seems like this year we've been having tough starts, and we've been getting behind early, and it just says so much about our team, how we always think we can come back, and maybe it's being a little bit arrogant or whatever you want to say, but we always believe that we can come back and we can win a game. So obviously we got to work on our starts a little bit. That's you don't want to go down 5-0. You're not going to come back from that very often. So we're going to focus on our starts a little bit more, and hopefully that doesn't happen anymore.
We had 2 days off, so it was good for us. We can recover, and stuff. And then on Wednesday we got back to the work, and we worked hard. We got Barbs came in, and we did some power skating. So I think it's good work every day, and it doesn't matter for us. Season starts already, so just keep it going.
I think this team, obviously with their streak last year and a 10-game winning streak to end the season last year, I think we're guys are pretty used to going on these streaks. I don't think we've really even started talking about it yet. So we just kind of take it one game at a time. That's what our coaching staff has instilled in us, just to kind of forget what you did last game and just go out every game with the mentality that we're going to play a great game and we're going to get a win. So we try not to look at the big picture. We just try to play it period by period.
Defenseman Keith Awley with his first goal and first star honors at Wilkes-Barre Scranton Sunday. And with continued confidence of 4 straight wins, the Crunch are back at the War Memorial this weekend, starting Saturday against the very same Penguins. A 7:30 start for Pink in the Rink night. Make sure you wear your pink at the War Memorial. It's also Carol Grow schedule poster giveaway, courtesy of Miller Lite and Molson Canadian. And then Sunday at 3 o'clock against the Adirondack Phantoms. That's the Flyers AHL team. $5 tickets for children under the age of 12. And make sure you have your costumes, because it's the annual Halloween costume parade here at the War Memorial. So again, Saturday at 7:30, Sunday at 3 for the Crunch this weekend. With the Syracuse Crunch, I'm Dan Duva.